Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Kraken in Grand Theft Auto 5. First, you'll need to complete the Nervous Ron mission, which is a crucial step to begin your journey. After that, make sure to purchase the Doc Tease property, which costs $250,000. This property is essential for accessing the next part of the mission chain. Once you own Doc Tease, look for the Strangers and Freaks mission icon on your map to continue. The next step involves finding Abigail, who will give you the Death at Sea mission. Your task is to locate her husband's lost submarine and retrieve all 30 of its scattered parts from the ocean floor. This can be a bit time-consuming, so take your time exploring the underwater areas. Once you've gathered every piece, return them to Abigail to successfully complete this challenging mission and move closer to your goal. Once you've completed the Death at Sea mission and returned all the submarine parts to Abigail, the Kraken becomes available for purchase. You can find it listed on the Doc Tease website within the game. Be prepared, as this unique submersible comes with a price tag of $1,325,000. After making the purchase, the Kraken will be delivered to your property, ready for you to explore the depths. Now that you own the Kraken, you can enjoy its impressive capabilities. It's a powerful and surprisingly fast submarine, perfect for exploring the vast underwater world of Grand Theft Auto 5. Dive deep, discover hidden secrets, and experience the ocean like never before. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks, along with other great deals. They're built to last, just like your new Kraken, and come with a lifetime warranty. Happy exploring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.